Hey guys, Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this next video with some more low voltage landscape lighting tips, and be sure to check us out on YouTube under the Lighting Doctor. So how to size your transformer, I'll show you, walk you guys through how to do that. It's super simple to do. And like I said about voltage drop and all that kind of stuff, if you're putting in an LED system, it's not something you have to worry about as much. If you look on any of the bulbs that you're using in your landscape lights, it'll either say on the box what the light is, or if you're switching around bulbs and that, you'll usually find the information you need on it. But for sizing your transformer, the biggest thing you need to know is how many watts is each lamp and each fixture going to take. So I have an example here. Say this was our system and we've got 3 accent lights that we're going to put on it. Each one of these is a 5-watt bulb on it. So we've got 3 times 5, so we've got 15 watts total. And then we got our path light, which is going to have a smaller bulb in it, and it's only going to use 2 watts. So we're at 15, so we're at 17 watts. So really all we need is a transformer that's approximately 20 watts or higher. Now, it's going to be tough to find one that small, and it's rare that you're only going to put in this many lights, but it just gives you an example. That's basically how you calculate how many you have, and what size transformer you're going to use. So again, if you had 10 of these and they're all 5 watts now, you're 50 watts, and say you had 10 of these and they're all 2 watts each, well, that's 50 plus 20, you're at 70 watts. You want a transformer that's probably going to be 100 watts or more to operate that system. So it's really easy to calculate out. And if you're starting to get into a system that's more than 16 lights, you might want to also consider finding a transformer that has a 15-volt tap on it. So most transformers will have either a 12 or a 15-volt tap. Smaller ones will only have a 12-volt tap, and all that means is that from where the wire comes out of your transformer to where it goes down to the lights, you're starting at 12 volts, which means you can lose about 3 volts along that line and still have those lights work. If you have more lights, you want to get a transformer that's maybe a little bigger like this. It starts with a 15-volt tap, which means now you can lose up to 6 volts along that line and still have those lights run efficiently. So that's basically how you size your transformer. It's super easy to do that. Hey guys, it's Cal from Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got some great tips for your next landscape lighting project. Please be sure to go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca and go and get your free consultation where we can walk you through some ideas for your own project. And also go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It light, where you can now go and buy one of our premium quality FX uplights and a King Innovation Instalight, which is basically a battery pack that allows you now to go and test out these high quality lights on your property and see how they're gonna look. Keep it for 14 days, and if you don't love it, send it back to us and get a full refund. If you do, you keep it at the discounted rate and you just get what else you need for your project. So I hope you guys take advantage of this great offer. And again, go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca or call me at 888-471-0008. Thanks for watching.